Hi everyone! Located on the beautiful Upper East Side, we just renovated this 3-bedroom apartment. In this project, our main goal was to make the kitchen and office space bigger by eliminating a small closet that sat between them. With that extra space, we were able to have more countertop and cabinet space, making for a very practical kitchen. We created an open kitchen concept while still keeping it separated from the foyer. We went with a gray mosaic tile for the backsplash and this beautiful quartz countertop that goes perfectly together with the white high gloss cabinets. Together with the client, we chose this graphite floor for the kitchen area. Throughout the entire apartment, we installed wood and bamboo floors, giving it a fresh and airy look. In the master bathroom, we did a shower conversion and installed beautiful light blue ceramic tiles from floor to ceiling. To add extra storage space, we created these handy shower niches. The guest bathroom also got an updated look, with a glass subway tile accent wall, contrasting with the white porcelain on the floor and walls. A new bath was installed with a sleek glass sliding door. The biggest highlight of this apartment is definitely the balcony with these amazing views. We installed these wooden deck pieces to create a comfortable outside area for our client to sit back and relax while enjoying the view of the city. Start a new chapter with us.